Hello, we got here today. We just got our shipment from, call this Fezzari. What's this model now?
Shafer.
We got a Shafer gravel bike right here. And this is John Ross. He's assembling it.
Bagong bike na naman si Manong Buday.
So it's a carbon frame. There's Fezzari here.
Okay, we going. There's your gamot. There's your gamot. Where you going?
Open me water.
Okay, give it to me. I'm opening your water. We going to my appointment na. Pagkatagal niya, may bike shop na tayo.
Oops.
Okay. Going. Breaking news. Okay. Okay, where's the ano na? Ano yung supply natin? May manang-manang. Okay. Hindi na mamaya uli. Anong oras na? Ayan. Buti na lang si Manong hindi nahahawa.
Now we got the seat post here. So we got a seat here. Oops.
Ano yan? Road bike, Budoy?
It's a gravel bike.
Oh, gravel. Ayan yung gravel bike. Uh-oh, sigda. Baka yun ang tibay. Dapat na lang walang gravel bike.
Oops.
Okay, we going. Start. Okay, see you later. We going appointment.
And it has a ooh.
See you mamaya.
So you got the what call it now? You got a drive. You got a SRAM. What do you call it? AXS DI. Ooh, you got electronic shifting here. Oh wow, nice. Look at that. You got the rival here. And the battery's back there. This bike is loaded. So 1 by 12. Oh, sorry. The tomb, I have a torque wrench, so. So how many months you have to wait? You ordered it when?
I ordered it in October.
October?
Yeah.
So October, November, it takes 2 months to get it.
That's because this is new.
Uh-huh.
Like no one knew this was out.
Oh.
So I switched from the Empire to this one.
Okay.
Because the Empire, I wasn't gonna get that till April.
Oh.
But since I have that bike, that's just gonna be my road bike. And this is gonna be
So this is our This is his road bike here, connected to the Wahoo Kicker R. And we use this so it's synced to the Swift app. Ah, kind of new design of the seat post clamp here.
Where's this thing?
Yeah, supposed to have a tool. Maybe it's in a box. It's in here.
Yung ako napapagalitan ng patay ko.
We are looking for the C-clamp parts.
Is this it?
Oh, that's for the axle tool. Hmm.
It's in.
No, it's not in there. Huh. Uh-oh. Nothing here.
How do you do this?
Huh. Yeah, there's supposed to be a tool to tighten it up. But it's supposed to be in that box. Got your battery for your shifters.
Oh, here it is. I think this is interesting.
That's for the reflectors. Yeah, check the manual. Quick assembly, see? So you're integrated.